What is up, everyone? After 3 weeks, I am finally back. Today, in this video, we're going to be installing 2 strut bars, one for the front and one for the rear, on the new Subaru. Technically, it's not new anymore. It's almost 2 months, but it's okay. Now, currently, I only have the rear strut bar on me, so we're going to install this now, and then when I get the front piece, then we're going to install that. Also, my hair is real messy. Whatever. That should be a very simple install because I've done this on the Corolla. Literally took 5 minutes. So this should be real easy to do. Also, this car has a bit of a problem, but I'll share that with you guys either at the end of this video or a different video. I just love Midwest weather. There's salt everywhere on this car, all across the trunk somehow as well. Okay. Now I just need scissors. So, strut bar is officially in, everything's tightened down, so it's in there. It's not gonna come off or anything. Again, this is something I'm gonna check over every once in a while, but it should be all right. Now, with that out of the way, just gotta wait for the front one. All right, everyone. So we've got the front strut bar here. Right now, we've got the Subaru right over here. I need to get some softbox lights because this happens. Here is the strut bar installed. There's sort of a little thing underneath this. I don't know what it is. It holds up this thingy. I actually don't know what that is. Kind of looks like a horn to me, but then again, it probably isn't. Otherwise, it should be up here rather than back there. So if any one of you watching this video knows what that is, please tell me, because it would I'd like to know if it's even necessary to keep it there or not. Otherwise, I'm going to remove it so this can be flat, because right now this is sort of propped up a little bit. Metal's a bit thinner than I would have expected. The welds aren't as nice. It's kind of tacked on there rather than welding this entire piece together. But oh well. Also, the rust is starting to come back on the Subaru. I'll try to prop up my light so you can see it. That didn't last very long, did it? Fuck you, wind. Can't really see it that well, but there is rust coming back. I'm actually I ordered some rust reformer. I'm gonna use that. But anyway, that'll be for another video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, go ahead, leave a like, comment below. I'm gonna try to do things rather quickly with this car. I want to get it on a track as prepped and as good as possible. I do actually have toe straps that I will install in the next video. That I've had the toe straps now for about a year. They were supposed to be for this project, but then this didn't become a project anymore. So now I'm gonna put it on here. I think I know where to put them, but I'm gonna have to go over everything and just check it out to be sure. But anyway, that is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment below, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, because subscriber growth has been slowing down, unfortunately. We only got 2 weeks left of 2018. Let's see if we can hit 850 by the time 2019 rolls around, but maybe we'll see. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace.